Hey YouTubers, this is Simplex Firearms Gentex True Alert and First Alert, and as you know, my new YouTube channel is going to be Simplex Firearms. It's going to be Simplex Firearms user JR116, and today this is Simplex Firearm user JR116, and today, peace, we got a video about. I got a new package again in the mail and I don't know what type it is. But I want to tell everybody I did log out my info on my thing as orange all over it. So do not copy my ordering shipment stuff. And then let's get to the fun part. Like, do you remember in the last video how I said that I was going to order a fire alarm and a pull station and some smoke tester? Well, my smoke tester came first. Now I'm not sure if I got my not smoke alarm. I'm not sure if I got my fire alarm or my pull station. So today I'm gonna open it up. If it is my fire alarm, I'll show you that really quick, and then we'll make another video of me doing testing the fire alarm, and then when I get my pull station, we'll test that, and then we'll go from there. And then I have another video coming up tonight about a simplex fire alarm on Roblox. And I'm not sure what kind it's going to be, so we'll get to that later. So let me open up the package. And as you see, I got a lot of stuff today. So we're going to see what this is all about. And it is really darn ship tight, so I don't know what they have in this really. It looks like it's mine. Oh. Well. What? It's a fawn with a horn. So. Alright guys. Today we have this. It is my kitty horn with selectable dB output. Unique low profile design, selectable higher low dB horn output, excellent sound penetration, and it is optimal fire marking checkbox label. So there it is. But we will get another file on here. And there it is. There that's gonna be, but okay. Alright. So we got that. My first fire alarm. I'll go on March time. Probably. Once I get it set up. Temporary horn. I'm surprised it came. Or I might have it on forget what to type. But, alright, the first horn. I'll put that in here. This is just going to be my first horn that I'll have set up. So, there we go. That might have been my pull station, but nope. I knew I had to do something with. Alright, guys. So that's the end of the video. I will get a new fire alarm system soon. I'm thinking I'm gonna have that one out in the hallway, and then I'm gonna get a simplex fire alarm. I'm not gonna actually get the Genesis, like I said in the other one videos I said. I'm not sure if I made another video saying I was gonna get a Genesis, but if I did, I'm not sure if I'm gonna get a Genesis. I'm gonna get a simplex fire alarm because they're more common than a Genesis, and you can select more codings on them. So yeah, so this is simplex fire alarm user JR116, and I'll see you in another video if I'm testing fire alarms or doing an inspection in some schools. Peace, and have a nice day. And and all you who are new to my channel, subscribe and rate, and I will see you in the next video, and we'll go from there. Peace.